Alright guys, it's your boy, Black Boy Steve. Today in our warm-up we have Glizzy G, Shigo, Capalot, and Hyena Joe, and Miss Turtleneck. Okay, so the first warm-up is we're going to be doing is ear to shoulder. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next exercise is going to be with Glizzy G.
We're doing shoulder rolls, 10 backwards, 10 forward. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next exercise is going to be with Shigo.
We're gonna do torso twist. Protect.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, the next exercise is going to be with Capalot.
Alright, we're going to pick our right leg, like swerve it 10 times, and then switch to the other one.
Alright, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then our next one is going to be with Miss Turtleneck.
What?
Yeah, you can want it because then we're doing the vocal thing live.
Oh. Alright, let's all just shake as crazily as you want to shake. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. And
Alright, then we're doing the last and final voice vocal exercise with Hyena Joe. Let's get it.
Okay, so our vocal warm-up will be like a tongue twister, red leather, yellow leather, and on 3, let's say it together. 1,
2, 3.
Red leather, yellow
leather. Red leather, yellow leather.
Okay, now try to say it as fast as you can.
then we're doing it 10 times.
2, 1.
Red
Red
leather,
leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather.
Okay, back to you.
Black Boy
Steve, Black Boy Steve, it's back to me. Y'all already know. Okay, so the last thing I want y'all to do is guess for 5 seconds the favorite thing you like about theater of arts. Let's get it.
Theater fart.
Alright, the thing I like about theater of arts is that I get to be dramatic for no reason.
My favorite thing about theater arts is that we get to meet fun people.
The longest warm-up video ever.
Yes.
Miss Shenandoah, what's your favorite thing about theater of arts?
Teaching all of you wonderful children.
What's your favorite thing about theater of arts?
Being myself.
Alright, what's your favorite thing about theater of arts?
My favorite thing about theater arts is getting to roast the teacher.
Heyo!
Alright guys, so before this video ends, I want y'all to all keep your mask on and stay safe. Good luck and have fun.
Cap out.
Don't die.